Welcome to BMS Tech Idea. In this Cisco Security Commands series, we'll learn how to secure your router and switch step by step. If you're preparing for CCNA or working in networking, this is must-know knowledge. Let's start with basic password security. First command, password. This sets a password for console or VTY login. Next, username Bhavesh, password 1234. This creates a local user account for login authentication. Now, enable password. This protects privileged exec mode, but this password is stored in plain text. More secure option, enable secret. This encrypts the password automatically. Always prefer enable secret over enable password. Finally, service password encryption. This encrypts all plain text passwords in the configuration file. In the next part, we'll configure SSH and secure remote access using domain name and RSA keys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BMS Tech Idea. To enable SSH, first configure domain name, IP domain name bmstech.com. Next, generate RSA keys, crypto key generate RSA. Now restrict remote login method, transport input SSH. This disables telnet and allows only secure SSH. To restrict who can access remotely, access class 10 in. This applies an access list to VTY lines. Next, we'll learn access control lists, how to permit and deny traffic like a firewall. Stay tuned. Access control lists help control network traffic. Standard ACL example, access list 10, permit 192.168.1.0, 0000.255. Named ACL, IP access list standard office users. To allow traffic, permit 192.168.1.0, 000.255. To block traffic, deny any, then apply it to interface, IP access group 10 in. In the final part, we'll configure NTP security and switchport security to protect your internal network. To synchronize device time securely, NTP peer 192.168.1.10. Accurate time is critical for logs and troubleshooting. Now switch security. To enable port security, switchport port security. You can limit number of MAC addresses and prevent unauthorized devices. This protects against MAC flooding attacks. Now you know the most important Cisco security commands for CCNA and real-world networking. Securing your device is the first step, but monitoring it is just as important. In the next video, we'll learn Cisco monitoring and logging commands, how to track activity, troubleshoot issues, and monitor your network like a professional. If this series helped you, comment secure below. Subscribe to BMS Tech Idea for more practical networking tutorials.